Welcome to Taisha's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your ramen noodle level 1. Even if you're not particularly interested in Japanese cuisine or Japanese food, I'm sure you've heard of or you've eaten ramen noodle in your life. It's a really great invention and it fills you up pretty fast. But it kind of starts to get boring if you eat the same thing over and over. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily upgrade and vary your ramen noodle. Then, let's get started. Here are the ingredients to upgrade ramen noodle. So I have here demaicho from Nissin. I used to eat this often in Japan, but when I was living in America, I used to eat quite a lot of Maruchan noodle, chicken flavor. That's a nostalgic memory of my high school time. Then I have here dried wakame, dried seaweed, egg, scallion, clove of garlic, and sesame oil. And if you like it spicy, you can also have Sriracha chili sauce. So there isn't really much to prepare, but I'm just gonna cut up the scallion and try to cut as thin as possible. Then let's smash the garlic. If you have a hard time peeling up the garlic, I'll show you a small technique. You're gonna put the knife over the garlic like this, and then you're just gonna smash it lightly, and it's gonna magically peel off very easily. I'm gonna use a smasher or whatever this is called. Of course, this is optional. If you don't like garlic, or if you have a date next day, don't put it in. And let's crack the egg. And then we're just gonna lightly beat it. So that's finished for preparing. So let's start cooking. In the instruction it says put the noodle in 500 milliliter of boiling water. That's 2 cups, so I'm gonna put in 2 cups of water and put the heat to high and bring the water to boil. So the water is starting to boil. I'm gonna just put in the noodle right in. We're just gonna wait a little bit until the noodle softens. I'm gonna turn the heat to medium. So in the instruction it says cook for 3 minutes, but I'm only gonna cook for 2 minutes because as I'm serving, it's going to take a little more time, and there's nothing more that I hate than a soggy ramen noodle. But if you like it soft, of course you can cook longer, but I personally prefer rather firm noodle. So you want to help out a little bit that it spreads out evenly. So as the noodle's separating, I'm going to put in the soup. I'm going to turn the heat to high so it comes to a boil again. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the garlic. And then when it comes to a boil, I'm going to put in the egg. What we want to do is we kind of want to go around like so. I'm going to wait a little till it gets cooked. And then this is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and serve the ramen in a bowl. If this comes with oil, then put in the oil now. Then I'm gonna put in a little bit of sesame oil extra to it because it's going to add in a lot of aroma. I'm gonna put in the dried wakame. Make sure that it gets soaked in the soup. And then I'm going to put in the sliced scallion. And this is ready to eat. Okay, let's eat. Itadakimasu. Oh, looks good. So I'm going to serve, so please be alerted. Oh, this is good. So you might notice that in Japan it is not at all rude to pick up the bowl like this. If it's too big then you can't, but if it's small like this, then we pick up the bowl. I really like this beaten egg. It just rounds up the flavor. Oh, I'm gonna put in a little bit of cilantro. It's also good. So what I like to do, or what some ramen restaurant in Japan do, is that you have a sauce on the side and you put these sauce not in the beginning but in the middle somewhere, so that it kind of changes up the flavor, so you don't get bored from eating the same flavor the whole time. So in the beginning you eat not spicy, and then in the middle you put in the cilantro or other kind of sauce, and then change up the flavor. Delicious. It warms up from inside. ごちそうさまでした. That was delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video and literally spice it up your ramen life. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe. If you have any other requests, please write in the comments below. And I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.